Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup project versions using Git for scripts and config step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Git installed on your system. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project directory using the cd command. Initialize a new Git repository by typing Git in it. Create a new file or use an existing script or configuration file in your project. Add the file to the staging area using git add file name. Commit the file with a message describing the changes using git commit m initial commit. To create a version, make your changes to the script or configuration file. Once you are satisfied with the changes, add the file again using git add file name. Commit your changes with a new message indicating what was updated using git commit m updated script configurations. Repeat this process anytime you want to create a new version. You can view your commit history at any time by typing git log. To switch between versions, use git checkout commit hash. You can find the commit hash in the log output. If you need to get back to the latest version, type git checkout main or git checkout master. For collaborative projects, consider setting up a remote repository. Create an account on a platform like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Follow their instructions to create a new repository online. Link your local repository to the remote repository using git remote add origin repository URL. Push your commits to the remote repository with git push u origin main. To keep your local repository updated with remote changes, use git pull origin main. Regularly backup your project versions by maintaining a consistent commit and push routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.